Now, let's start building our application by creating a new AdonisJs application. We'll be making use of the CLI as mentioned earlier. Adonis new, then the name of our application, which we will call podcast. Remember I said we can choose from 3 different boilerplates when creating a new AdonisJs application. So if we run the -- help command, you can see that we can specify that we want an API only boilerplate or a sim boilerplate or even a custom boilerplate. But for this course, we will be using the default boilerplate, which is the full stack app. So Adonis new, the app name, which will be podcast. This will make sure all requirements are met. Then it will clone the Adonis full stack boilerplate. Then to start installing all the necessary dependencies. Once that is done, we can seed into the project. Then start the application with Adonis serve --dev. This will start a development server, which you can access on this URL. Here we have it, our first AdonisJs application. In the next lesson, we'll go over the directory structure of an AdonisJs application.